And here we are, cooking lessons with Sara Slauson. Sarah, what's going on?
Well, not much, Joe. We're here cooking the pasta. I've got the tomatoes on a nice simmer. Have a look. Look at all that steam. Yum. Should be good.
So, what do you call this, Sarah?
Penne alla Americana.
And how long did it take you to prepare this?
6 days. Been slaving over it.
And
The one who works, obviously.
okay, but you do the best you can for your husband, right?
Even better.
Okay. And okay, so now what's gonna happen now? Is the pasta done?
Yes, it is. So how do I turn this off? Is
On.
that it?
Oh, okay. So
I don't know. How do I turn this off?
Sarah, okay, now like Sarah's having a moment of panic. Yeah, it's turned off.
That's that one.
Okay, there. Oh my god.
Alright.
The lens is like totally steamed up.
Where's the strainer? Now, where did I put that gosh darn strainer? Does the cameraman know? Oh, is this the strainer? Oh. And
Um,
some mittens. Mittens.
there are no mittens, so.
Okay.
But there's a scarf.
It's this. Oh, it's too hot. Are you sure this is enough pasta? Are we sure? Alright.
Great job.
Thank you.
Alright, so. Now I guess it's time to. Oh, look who's here by the fireplace. Let's get a close up of the fire. Look at that, it's burning. Grandpa! How you doing?
It's alright.
Oh wait, we can see Grandpa is already disappearing.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have to say?
What do I have to say about what?
Wow.
Son.
First of all, I'm not your dad. I'm your see, he forgets everything. And we're back with Sara Slauson. So while you guys were all away, Sarah's been really hard at work, while Grandpa here is just like. Okay, now look at what Sarah's done. Sorry, we missed it, but that's part of the magic. Look, she put it together. Her concoction of we don't know what exactly, but zucchini, yellow squash, and onions, garlic, and everything. But anyway, Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
so your last comments on this endeavor?
It's a waste of time. Don't be a housewife. Join the feminist liberation. Sarah! Sarah!
Grandpa, what do you say about that?
You're nasty.
No, what do you say? Nothing? Okay, alright, to all, a good night. Oh, shaped like a heart.